Well, it's getting a little dark out here, but I hope this video shows up good enough. This is a rod driver for like a grounding rod, which I'm putting a couple in right now. I bought this on eBay. The fellow makes these up in Canada. This is for the SDS Plus rotary hammer drill. But this is just a really nice product he's made. I've got no complaints. Good solid tool, and just works real well. I paid it was $20 plus $9 for shipping, and I think the closest thing I saw to that was like $40 at Home Depot for a Bosch. It doesn't have nearly the depth of the sleeve there. So, and that's probably about a 3/4 inch diameter. So I'm driving a 1/2 inch rod, so plenty of room with that. I know some of you might drive a 5/8 rod, but who knows, maybe drive a 3/4 rod. Anyways, there it is, and in fact, I'll plug it in here and we'll just drive his rod the rest of the way. I'll stop there, but you got the idea. So, good luck.